Model, 66-plate Citroen Relay Boxer 2.0 HDI starts drives fine spares OR repairs head gasket issue 41K low mileage ULEZ Euro 6 Starstruck. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 41,993. MOT, 16 March 2024. Engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect and drives great, but the head gasket needs replacing as the coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. It still pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors, air con, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear.